everyone, and welcome back to J'sForum. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button for this particular video. And in case you haven't watched my earlier videos, there will be links in the description and also YouTube cards going on right here. I come up with new videos every week, and the videos are going to be helpful not only for the college students but also for anyone who needs to know about freelancing, needs to know about the gigs that you can make on Fiverr or other freelancing platforms. I also discuss a lot about other different softwares where you can practice your own audio editing, video editing. So this is going to be the most helpful channel for you. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So in case you need some context, we are actually continuing our Audacity Tutorial Series where we are going to learn everything about Audacity that you need to know to get started editing your audio. So we have already discussed something in the previous videos, and today I'm going to show you how you can import some audio externally into your Audacity software, and also how to import multiple audio tracks and work on them parallelly, okay? Because we have already learned that Audacity is a multi-track audio editing and recording software, and it allows you to work on multiple tracks at the same time. So that is what exactly we are going to see in this video. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so here we are back into our Audacity interface. So I already discussed about the basic Audacity interface and some of the tools like the play and the pause buttons and some other things about the interface like the project rate and everything in the previous videos. So in case you're not sure what is the project rate or what do these buttons here do, just go and watch my previous video. I have discussed everything in detail in those videos. Okay. So what I'm going to do is in this video we are concerned about how to import an external audio, right? So we have already seen how we can record our own voice in Audacity. That is also right there in my previous video. Go and check it out in case you're not sure how it is done. So there are two options. Either you might want to just record your own voice in Audacity and then you will try to edit and manipulate it right here, or you might just want to import some external audio file that you have got, and then you will, might want to work on that in Audacity. So that is what exactly we are going to do for this video. So we have got some external audio clips downloaded. In case you don't have an audio clip to work on and you might just want to practice whatever you are learning in this video, there are multiple websites where you can, download royalty free music or audio clips. And one of them is Pixabay, and that is the website from which I have taken the two audio clips that I will be using for this particular video. And I'm just going to leave the link to that particular website and maybe also the credits to those two audio clips right in the description below, so that you yourself can check it out and you can just practice whatever we are learning in this entire course on those audio clips. Okay, so the first things first, I'm going to show you how to open an audio clip right in your Audacity software. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go to your file menu, and when the drop down opens, you have got this option which says open. So you need to click on that, and then I need to search for the music file or the audio file which I've got saved on my computer, and I need to click on open. And it's just going to show me that it's importing that mp3 file into my Audacity software, and then you should be able to see something like this. Okay, so this is my audio clip opened in Audacity. And the blue waves that you can see are basically the sound waves. It tells you that the audio has been imported properly, and there is some audio that you will be able to hear the moment you hit the play button. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you about some other things as well. Like right beside your audio clip, you can see certain options. Okay. So what is the first option? It's basically the file name. So the first audio clip that I'm going to be showing or using in this video, I have named it as music 1. So for that you can see the name. So that is basically just the file name with which you save that audio file on your computer. Then we have an option which is basically mute, and that essentially is going to mute your audio clip. Okay. So I can just unmute by clicking again on the mute button. Now we also have this option which says solo, and this is basically just a shortcut method of muting all the other audio clips apart from the one which you want to play solo. Okay, like if I have multiple audio clips and in case I just want all of them to be muted and the first one should just be playing when I hit the play button, I'm just going to click on the solo button or the solo option right here, and all the other audio clips that are going to be there in your project will be muted at once. So that is just a shortcut way of muting the other audio clips other than the one that you just want to play solo, right? And we also have the sample rate and everything, so we have already discussed about the sample rate. Okay, so as you can see that we have got our audio open. Now in case you want to hear how this audio sounds like, I'm just going to hit the play button. Okay, so this is basically the audio clip. I don't think you need to like hear the entire thing, and you can also see the sound bars going up right here. Like when I play it, you can just see, which actually tells you that what is the level of the playback, and when it just rises above this level, it's actually going to tell you that the playback level is pretty high, which means that the sound is pretty high. You might just want to like level it down. Okay, so that is basically our first audio track. Now let's say I want to open another audio track. So we have actually got two options. The first one is the same thing which we did just right now, that is go to file menu and then open. The next thing is basically importing. Now I'm going to show you what happens first when I again try to open another audio clip right from the file menu. So I'm just going to go to file and then go to open. And again, the same process, I'm just going to type in the file name which I want to open right now and click on open. And what happens, you will see that a separate window is opening with that audio clip. Okay, so that is basically, you can see the music 2 being written. So this is a separate file. This is our separate windows. If I just go on my taskbar, you can see that I've got two Audacity interfaces opened. Okay, so you might ask me that when I'm just going to go to file menu and then clicking on open, the other audio clips are actually opening, but they are opening on separate interfaces. Then how to work on them simultaneously? Like how can I open all the different audio clips on which I want to work on the same Audacity interface so that I can work on them parallelly? So for that we have this option which is import. So I'm not going to save anything right here. So I'm going to go to file, and then if I just go to import, there are certain options like audio, labels, MIDI, raw data, everything. So I'm just going to be concerned on audio right now. So I need to click on audio, and again I'm just going to type in the name of the file which I want to open and click on open, and now you will see that both the audio clips are now open in the same interface. Okay, so always remember that when you want to work on multiple audio clips at the same time, that is in the same project, just go to file and then go to import. Do not open that because that is going to open in a separate Audacity window. Okay, so again, this is going to be the second audio clip. Now, since we have got two audio clips, let's say I just want to hear how the second audio clip sounds and I don't want to hear the first one. What I can do is I can just mute the music one audio file. And what happens, the first one is muted, so when I just play now, the second audio clip is just going to play. So I'm just going to go to play. You can see that only the second audio clip is playing. Okay, now let's say that I just don't mute this, but I want the second audio clip to play solo, which means all the other audio clips, let's say that for instance, if I have multiple other audio clips in this project, all the other audio clips I want to be muted and only the second audio clip should be playing. So what I'm going to do is just go to this option which is solo, but remember solo for the second audio clip, not for the first, because I want only the second audio clip to be playing. So I'm going to go to this solo option and click on that, and you can see that automatically the first audio clip has grayed out, which means that this is now muted and only the second one is going to play. Okay, now what happens that if we don't mute the other audio clips and if we just unmute, keep all the other audio clips unmuted, what happens, I will show you. Like if I just go to play, you will see both the audio clips are going to play simultaneously. Okay, so this might sound good in certain cases, but most of the times when you are working with different audio clips which have like different kind of feel, different kind of music, it's actually going to sound quite distorted. So for that case, whenever you want to focus on a particular audio clip first, you just need to like select solo. Like if I just want to edit the first audio clip, I'm just going to click on solo so that everything else is grayed out and I can just focus on this particular audio clip. Once I'm done editing this one, I can just unmute this, or I can just again click on the solo option back. That is going to unmute the other audio clip. And then if I just want to like work on the second one, again I will just click on solo so that everything else is grayed out. I can just peacefully work on the second one, and once both are fine, I can just play both of them together. Okay, so I hope in this video it has become clear to you that how you can open audio clips in Audacity, and also how to work with multiple audio files simultaneously in Audacity. So this was all for this video. I hope you really liked this video, and if you did, then please hit the like button, and also please subscribe to my channel, and also you can comment your thoughts down below. I am really looking forward to creating more interesting and useful content. So please let me know that what is the related content that you want me to make. Also share this video as much as you can so that maximum people get benefited from this video. So I will meet you again in the next video. Until next time. Bye.